is, and I'm not sure. I was expecting to, and I don't know which is which, so we'll open it together. This doesn't say which is up or which is down. Holy cow! Wasn't even expecting this. Another power station, but this time it's a Rock Pals 600. Oh, I can't wait to use it. Let's see what this one is. I was expecting more than what I was expecting. Oh my gosh, you guys, I was so excited about this. I know you've seen one or two other of our pals with this. It is the Mark II series air conditioner from Zero Breeze. Oh my gosh, this is going to come in so handy on our next trip, and I'll tell you why. Stay tuned. Okay, I received my Zero Breeze Mark II series air conditioner. You have no idea how nice this is going to be. Right now I'm going to read through the manual and figure out how to use it. I think it will fit nicely on the console between my two front seats. Ron and I are leaving in about 4 weeks, 3.5 weeks, about 4 weeks, to head to Washington to visit my family. Unfortunately, my sister-in-law just lost her mother, and so we'll be going up for her funeral, and we will be spreading my mom's ashes when I get up there at our favorite place where our family camped every year since I was about 7 years old. Just an absolutely gorgeous place. Some of you will recognize it because I have done a video there before. Aja and Eric and I were up there a few years ago. Anyway, so let me dive into this and I'll be back. It's battery operated, you guys. So first thing I have to do is figure out how you charge the battery. Okay, so this is the battery, and I can see it's got an inverter on the front. It's got 2 USB ports, 1 C port, and 1 not exactly sure, 120, this is 120 right here, but this is 24 volt, and I don't really understand that, but I assume, okay, it's got this, and we're learning this together, you guys. And this, so I assume, nope, those don't connect. Okay, I'm not sure what, this plugs in and screws in. So I have to unscrew it. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, this is the plug-in for powering it and or charging the battery. So it's got 4 prongs. You have to turn it until I can't see. I need my googles. It should just. Not sure why it's not plugging in. See, there's 4 holes here and there's 4 prongs here, so you just have to line up. Oh, okay, there is a little notch, if you can see that, a little notch right there, so it has to go in. It only goes in one way, so there we go. That's plugged in. And then I assume I can plug this into my power station to charge it. I assume. I don't understand the whole 12 volt versus 24 volt. So anyway, and then this. Maybe I have it. No. So there's little feet right there that, or yeah, no, there's feet on the bottom of this that slide into the battery down there. Let's see if I can get this. There we go. And it came totally charged. It's already charged. And now, you guys have no idea how excited I am to have this. Oh my gosh. Air conditioning. So, as you know, air conditioners have to have an in and out for air. So this just clicks on the bottom first, right there, and then snaps in place at the top. So as you know, air conditioners make water condensation, so you have to drain the water, and so it has a hose that hooks on in the back under the exhaust hoses. I'll show you right here. So this hose I'm going to need two hands to do this, but you can see what I'm talking about. The hose hooks up right there. Okay, I got that on there. It was a bugger. But also I realized that I connected this to the battery, which would be for charging it. But you can also connect it to, this is probably what I'll use. I will probably just power it from my power station because the, this is what it comes with to charge the battery. I don't have anything to connect that to. I'm not really sure how that works. Actually, no. That is the cord that you use to go from the battery to the air conditioner itself when you're going to run it off the battery. So that's the power cord from the battery to the air conditioner. These instructions are not real specific. I mean, it's just basic instructions. And I mean, I'm going to be able to work it and get it to run and enjoy it. It's kind of self-explanatory, but you know, maybe I'm going to call Eric and ask him, how do you charge the battery? I don't really understand that because I don't have any kind of connection like this. You literally plug that into the battery and then use the 10 volt or the 120 to plug into either a wall or your power station. It's really not as hard as I was making it out to be. I can use the regular 110 or 120 plug to charge it in my van as I'm driving. Because, you know, my van has one of these plug-ins. And I can charge it while I'm driving. So back to the water. You can drain this. It has to be drained like every 2 hours, depending on the humidity. It stores it in there until it overflows into the drain. You can drain this either outside or into a container inside your van. I'll probably just use like a gallon container to drain it into, if I use it overnight, which sometimes I probably will. I mean, you know, especially when we leave here next month to go to Washington, we'll be driving through Nevada, and it's going to be hot. Remember last year when I went up to see my mom? I stayed overnight in Nevada, and it was hot. It would be like staying here overnight in a van. It's super hot. I feel sorry for Ron. He's not going to have an air conditioner. Other than his van air conditioner. But, you know, to use that, you have to keep the engine running, and that's no good. I have a Goodwill box in here. It's in the way. fits exactly where I was hoping it would fit, right between the two seats. I can't wait to try this. And these are for the vents. They will have to vent out the window. And it has a remote control, which is nice. Okay, so you vent it out the window, and it comes with the packaging that the battery came in. You can see where you cut this out, and you cut the holes out, and the vents go right there. And you put this in your window. It says duct tape is needed. I guess you would duct tape it somewhere. I don't know. Oh my goodness. So, that is next. It actually comes, this was the top of it. I'm not sure which one you're supposed to use. I guess it doesn't matter, but with this one being so thick, this one seems like it would work better. Okay, the manual says these screw on counterclockwise. But I'm telling you, I'm having a hard time getting them to stay on the mount, the thing. We'll call it the thing. I guess I'll just have to make it work with some duct tape. I had the same issue when I was installing my portable air conditioner in my fifth wheel a few years ago, too. These just don't want to stay. I mean, there's got to be a better way. If anybody can tell me what that line is from, you'll get a prize. Okay, well, I'm going to work on this, and I'll get back to you. Okay, I was finally able to get these to screw in, but they're still not very stable. I mean, they very easily pop right out again. So I used duct tape and have them ready to hopefully go into the van. But that's going to be tomorrow because it's 106 degrees out there and I don't want to go out there again. I know, it's funny. I'm installing an air conditioner and I'm complaining about the heat. But it is. It's 106 or 107. Could be 108. I don't know. But anyway, it's too hot to be working outside. So tomorrow. Okay, it's the next day, and since I have the door open, Parker thinks we're going somewhere. See, he's all excited, and then he worries, "You're leaving without me." No, honey, I'm not going anywhere. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Okay. Whoa. Sweat pouring in my eyes. Oh, stop. See, he thinks I'm going somewhere without him. Parker, it's okay. Mama's not going anywhere. Whoa. It's only, what time is it? It's 9:15 and it's already probably 90. But it's better than next month when the overnight low will be 90. Anyway, I've got it set up enough to work, but I do have to tweak it. Here, let me show you. Okay. I found that to be the nice spot for it for now. And I'm going to have to tape the, it's not exhaust, you know what I mean, the out air, whatever. I'm going to have to tape those to the foam, and that's just in the window there. So, whew. And because I can't point it at me, this is where the cold air comes out. This is a piece that comes with it, but I'm going to have to, I assume it came with the little screws to tighten it, but this just goes right on there, and with the other hose, it directs the air at me. Oh, this is heaven, you guys. Absolute heaven. I disconnected the battery. I'm not using the battery. It's just, I mean, I probably will, but right now it's just hooked up to my, which one is that? That is the Anylong 1200 watt power station. It's just connected to the regular 110 or 120, whatever that is. And, oh, it is hot, you guys. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna finish with the duct tape and you know, taping the vents, that's what it is, vents, to the little foam things there that came with it. That's part of the packaging, so don't throw that away if you plan to use it. Well, I don't know if any of you have watched Eric's video of it. He really, he goes all out when he, you know, makes stuff, does stuff. And he made his own little thing that fit right in there perfectly. And this will be better once I get it finished. I need to go get more duct tape, though. I ran out. So, oh my gosh, you guys, I am in heaven. This is going to be so nice. Okay, that's it for now. We'll see you next time. Thank you again for sending this to me. Thank you again, Zero Breeze. I am so excited about this. Thank you so much for sending it to me. I am in love with it. Okay, you guys, we'll see you next time. Okay, before I sign out, I wanted to show you that I did tape the vent hoses to the window thing, and I taped the vent hoses to the plastic thing that, you know, hooks onto the cold air outtake. That's what I'm calling it. I don't know if that's what it's called, but it's good enough for government work. And it's ready to go back in. Thanks again, you guys. We'll see you next time. Oh, and please click on their link. I'll leave it in the video description. Check out their website. Thanks.